today I'll be cooking Siakap ginger steamed fish. So first of all, you have to clean the fish because it's a very fresh fish. So to actually cleanse the fish, what you have to do is open up the fish. Okay, let the water to flow in. Okay, clean all the remaining blood. Okay, something like this inside. Okay, let the water to flow. Okay, and then discard the water. Okay, now I'm going to add some, actually cleaning the scales and also the remaining tails. These tails here. Okay, you just have to cut it. Okay, you can also use your sharp knife. Since I don't have, I'm using a pair of scissors. Okay, just cut it. Okay, for the tail as well. Chick, 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 chick. It's pretty hard. Okay, just try your best. You can actually use the knife. Okay, finally the fish is almost clean. Okay, I'm just going to wash it one more time. Okay, it's pretty amazing, isn't it? Okay, now your fish is completely clean for the next job. Okay, now your fish is completely clean. Now I'm going to coat the fish with some turmeric and also the antibacterial, which is salt. Okay, we're gonna soak it, guys. So now the clean fish is almost ready. Okay, I've already cleaned the scale, so you can see it's pretty smooth. Okay, I've already cut off all the remaining tails on the fish. Okay, now I'm just gonna coat it with some turmeric. Okay, you can use any type of turmeric that's available in the market. Okay, why we are actually applying this to remove the bacteria. Apply, and then just soak it for a few minutes because later on we're gonna steam the fish. Okay guys, now as you can see, I've already applied the turmeric evenly on the both sides of the fish. Okay, something like this. Then I'm just gonna add a bit or sprinkle some salt. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. Okay, something like this. Okay, do not put too much or else your fish will become too salty. Remember some tips. Okay, apply, and inside also in the abdomen part. Okay, as you can see here, I've already removed the gills. Okay, it should be very thoroughly clean. So to cook the Chinese style ginger steamed fish, these are the items that you actually need. Okay, you need the turmeric. So this is the real turmeric. I've already cut into bits like this. So some onions to blend and also some ginger pieces cut into a shape like this, and also some chopped garlics. Okay, that's it. And about 5 minutes. Okay, need some spiciness in your fish. You can actually add some colorful chili. To make the ginger paste, you have to blend all the ingredients together. Now I'm going to blend, so you just have to put into a blender your ginger pieces. Okay, some chilies. Okay, onions. Okay, 1 or 2 pieces of your real turmeric. Okay, onion you can actually add more. And again, in the place the remaining vegetables all here for the steaming. Okay, just stuff. If you want to add some carrots or capsicum according to your desire, you can do so. Now I'm adding some capsicum. Okay, you can also add pepper for garnishing purpose. Steam the fish. Fine. adding some broccoli since there's some leftover in my kitchen. Okay, you just steam the fish. Okay, you just have to insert the fish into this steamer machine. Okay, and the leftover sauce, pour it over. Okay, just pour it over. Okay, the fish is settled now. You have to steam it around 20 minutes approximately. Okay, pour some oil. Okay, let the oil to become slightly hot.
Heat up the oil.
Okay, then now you add some pieces of garlic and also your ginger. Okay, the essence of the ginger. To make sure the essence of ginger is there. To smell the essence of your ginger and garlic. Okay, it have turned slightly brown. Okay, what you have to do now is add your remaining pieces of your chilies and your onions. Okay, fry. Okay, you can actually pour some more oil. Chili, garlic, and also your ginger. Add in your remaining blended ginger. Okay. Okay, let it to be heat up for a while. After this, all the sauces will be added to the on top of the fish. Okay, your fish already steamed. To know whether your fish is cooked, you can actually look at the eyes. Okay, the eyes is already turned into a very pale whitish, so indicating your fish is completely cooked. So this is some tips. Right here, you can actually look the steamed vegetables. Okay, your fish has already been transferred to a new plate. So the heated up essence of the ginger paste, now you can actually add on. Okay, then pour the remaining sauce. Calibrate all the sauces in the 4 angles. Okay, now your ginger, Nyonya style, Chinese style ginger steamed fish is ready. Enjoy!